Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change navigation bar to swipe gestures on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. To begin, open Settings on your device, then swipe down to Display menu and open it. In Display menu, swipe down to Navigation bar. Open this menu and then select Swipe Gestures option, and this will immediately change your gestures to swiping instead of using buttons. Additionally, you can also enable the circle search feature here if it's available on your smartphone. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.